In this lesson, we're going to be building a sign using a text label, and it's going to warn us about things that might be in our games. So let's get started. We can write text on any flat surfaces in Roblox. Let's start by adding a part. So go to Model, we'll click Part, and I'll add just a regular part. Then I'll scale it to be nice and tall and flat. There we go, just like a sign. Now I'll need to open up the Explorer and Properties. So go to View, Property, and Explorer. I'll rename this part Wall Sign. And now I'll hover over it, click the plus sign, and I'll look for SurfaceGui. Here it is. The SurfaceGui controls where the writing is going to happen on this block. If I go into the properties on the left, I'll see the face. Right now, I'm writing on the front. When I write the text, if I don't see it, I might have chosen the wrong side. Let's leave it on front for now, but we might need to adjust this. Then, on the SurfaceGui, I'll click the plus symbol again, and I'll look for textLabel, and I'll click that. There it is. So a sign has three parts. It has the actual block that you're writing on it, then it has a SurfaceGui, and then it has a text label. The text label has a property, if you scroll down, called text. Here it is, text. And inside of that, I know it's a little strange, but there's a text property inside of the text property. What? That sounds crazy, but it says label, and I'm going to change this to say this is a wall. Duh. And if you don't see the writing on here, that's because the SurfaceGui is not showing on the correct face. So click SurfaceGui, search for the face property, and then toggle through these until you see it appear. There. Mine is actually on the left side of the face of the SurfaceGui. Now you'll notice it's very small, so we'll need to change the size of it. So we'll need to go back to text label, and then we'll need to look for the size property. The easiest way to use the size property is just to delete the entire size and to type this 1, 0, 1, 0. Click enter, and what that does is it fills the entire width and the height with that text label. If you want to be more specific, you can click this drop down and you can adjust the X scale and offset and the Y scale and offset. But it's a little more advanced, and I'm trying to keep this video very simple. So let's do it one more time. 1, 0, 1, 0, and that will be full width, full height. Then I can scroll down on the properties. I can change the font face. I can choose a different color, and I can choose a different font size. If you don't like the background color, you can scroll all the way up until you see the background color right here, background color 3. Click on this, and you can change the background color. I actually don't want any color. I want to change the background transparency. So if I make it more transparent, I can see right through it. So there you go. Add a part, add a SurfaceGui, and then add a text label. Oh, you wanted to have a burning sign. You wanted fire on it? Yes. In the Model tab, click Gameplay, Effects, Fire. When it adds it, you'll need to drag the fire to where you want it. So connect it to the wall sign. And the fire's there, it's just very small. So we'll need to make that fire a lot hotter. So click Fire, come over to the size right here, and let's see how large we can make it. Let's do 30. There we go. Are you happy now? You have a burning sign.